Hey guys, it's Susie,
I'm not cool.
and today Lovin is here to help you find another fun recipe to de-stress.
I don't know about you, but I've been having a lot of midterms and I could definitely use a slice of blueberry coffee cake to help de-stress.
It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so there are two parts to this cake. For the cake itself, you'll need
blueberries, some milk, salt, baking powder, flour, vanilla, eggs, sugar, and butter. First, we are going to mix in the wet ingredients, and we're going to cream the butter and sugar. And please make sure to use softened butter so that your mixture can combine well. And after you're done mixing those two things, add your vanilla and eggs and make sure that that's combined well. Once you're done with your liquid ingredients, go ahead and mix in all of your dry ingredients, just with a spoon or a whisk. You can sift it if you're feeling ambitious. And once you're done with that, you're going to want to alternate adding milk and the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And we do this so that your batter doesn't turn out too lumpy. And in the very end, you're going to add all of your blueberries. So to make the crumble topping, we need flour, sugar, and butter. And first we're going to add sugar to the flour, give that a rough mix. And then we're going to add in the butter to this dry mixture and just crumble it with our hands until the texture is like wet sand. So now we're going to add our batter to a pan lined with parchment paper, and make sure to butter your parchment paper so that the cake can come out easily. And you're going to notice that this batter is really thick, so take your time to take it out of the bowl and spread it evenly in the pan. Now we're going to add our crumble topping, and you want to spread that evenly so that it covers the whole cake. And once you're done with that, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and put it in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes. It really depends on your oven, so be careful to check at around 40 minutes. So we just took our cake out of the oven, and this is what it looks like.
The blueberries will be nice and melty. Don't worry about it being perfectly golden brown. It's probably not going to be. It really depends on the oven.
Yeah, and then when you take it out, make sure you put a skewer in the center so that you know it's cooked. The skewer should come out clean.
We tried to bite just now, and it is really, really good.
Yeah, it's really good. It's super moist in the center, and I just love the texture of the melted blueberries. And the streusel topping right here, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's like super flaky. And yeah, this is like perfect comfort food.
So delicious.
Yeah. If you liked our video, please remember to subscribe. We'll put all of our social media links at the bottom. Thank you.
And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button.